Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining, what's up? My name is Zama. I do hair, beauty, and I do vlogs. Definitely do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Today I have partnered with Victoria's Wig to bring you guys a really cool tutorial showing you their HD undetectable lace frontal wig. First things first, this is what the wig came in. I'm just going to show you guys everything that came inside before we get into the nitty-gritty of this video. Okay, this is the wig that they sent me. I will leave all the specs on the screen right now. As I told you guys, this is an HD undetectable lace frontal wig, which means that the lace is super thin. They make it with a Swiss lace so that it melts so seamlessly into your skin. Honestly guys, it looks amazing. You guys would have seen in the beginning and you guys will see how we get there. I did end up bleaching the knots, which is really unnecessary and would not recommend because there's really no need. But now I'm having to put some of my powder on the lace just so that it melts even more seamlessly, because as I told you guys, I already did bleach the knots rather. So yeah, I had to just do that. I went ahead and I took my got to be glued gel and I put that on the perimeter of my head so that it could be a little bit easier for me to stick the hair down. I don't want to use my blasting free spray only because the wig was a little bit big for my head, but honestly I like it like that because it makes it easier for me to work with. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the blasting free spray and then I'm just going to spray that on top of what I've already put down on my head just to make sure that it lays super flat and to ensure that it melts guys. It needs to melt into your scalp. Now you guys will be able to see how I use my comb and alternating between that and me just pressing the lace into my forehead with my fingers, and how this ensures that the lace is melted into my head or my skin, or however we're gonna say it. I do end up cutting these little tabs in the lace, just makes it easier for me to actually cut in a way where it's not too straight and it's a little bit staggered so that it looks a little bit more natural. After all of that is done, I'm just going to open a line for myself where I would like to part the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put powder on that a little bit later. But right now what I'm going to do is to define these beautiful curls that are in this hair. I really love this texture. I feel like this is going to be one of my everyday wigs. I love an everyday wig, as you guys already know, so I really think this is going to be a wig that I get a lot of use out of. So what I'm doing basically now is just spraying my wig with some water, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and finally I'm going to add in some styling mousse to ensure that the curls do not lose their shape. Natural disasters. My baby has been around. Now we've gotten to the part where I'm going to take my little half brush and I'm going to be putting my powder, the same powder that we put underneath the wig, in the parting just to define it further. Again, not something that needs to happen, but if you want a super defined part, this is what you can do to achieve it. You're all I need. Every time I get a busy I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was informative. If you guys did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye! Ooh, who could have thought I'd get you?